Have you ever thought about the hidden possibilities inside you, even though they're right in front of you? What if we told you that there is a well-kept secret that mankind have been researching for years? A source of energy and vigor that has the ability to revolutionize your life. What if we told you we've been keeping this secret for generations? Semen retention is a practice that goes beyond the conventional concept of human sexuality and delves into the profound realms of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. We would like to use this opportunity to welcome you to the world of semen retention. Semen retention is a time-honored practice that has its origins in a wide range of cultures and traditions, ranging from the teachings of Taoism to the Ayurvedic practices of India. The concept relies around the deliberate decision to refrain from ejaculating, which enables men to harness the immense potential that is trapped in their seminal fluid. Despite the fact that this idea may appear to be esoteric or strange, it has been receiving an increasing amount of attention in recent conversations on men's health and self-improvement practices. Stage 1. Educating and raising awareness. The first step in the process of retaining sperm is to raise awareness and encourage knowledge. Individuals have the opportunity to become aware of the significant influence that ejaculation has on their physical and mental well-being during this initial period. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the science underpinning sperm, including its composition and the energy it transports. Those who are interested in acquiring a full grasp of the practice frequently consult ancient literature, contemporary scientific findings, and the teachings of practitioners who have extensive experience. During the awareness stage, it is not only necessary to familiarize oneself with the mechanics of sperm, but it is also necessary to acknowledge the cultural and societal assumptions that surround sexuality. The first step toward embarking on this journey of transformation is to break through the accepted conventions of society and gain an understanding of the potential advantages of retaining one's sperm. Before we go ahead to stage 2, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Stage 2. Dedication and self-control discipline. Making a deliberate decision to engage in the practice of semen retention is the second step, which follows the establishment of awareness. This commitment demands individuals to exercise self-control and discipline, since they make a deliberate decision to refrain from ejaculating for a predetermined amount of time. During this stage, it's crucial to develop a strong mindset and unyielding determination in order to lay the foundation for the transforming adventure that lies ahead. In order to maintain the practice, commitment and discipline are the foundations that support it. This involves not just making a commitment to oneself, but also being aware of the potential impact that it could have on one's relationships and day-to-day experience. A test of one's resolve and determination, this stage serves to set the stage for the obstacles and rewards that are to come in the subsequent stages. Stage 3. The physical advantages. Semen retention is a process that causes individuals to experience a wide range of bodily benefits as they proceed through the process. There is a rerouting of the energy and nutrients that are contained in sperm back into the body, which provides nourishment to the organs and tissues. There are numerous reports of individuals experiencing increased levels of energy, higher muscle strength, and improved physical stamina. Furthermore, several practitioners have reported improvements in the complexion of their skin, the quality of their hair, and their overall physical vitality over time. In addition to greater energy, the physical benefits of semen retention are also significant. To be able to harness the physical strength that comes along with the practice, it is necessary to have an awareness of how the body reacts to the experience. This stage entails conducting an in-depth investigation into the physiological changes and benefits that individuals may experience, which serves to strengthen their dedication to the practice throughout this stage. Stage 4. Clarity of thought and concentration. Outside of the sphere of the physical, the retention of sperm has significant implications for mental clarity and concentration. There is a correlation between the preservation of vital energy and higher mental alertness, improved memory, and enhanced focus in individuals. Practitioners frequently discover that they are better able to confront intellectual obstacles and engage in creative efforts when the fog that accumulates in the mind after ejaculatory activity begins to dissipate. Clarity of thought is essential to the success of this stage. The purpose of this venture is to investigate how the mind functions when it is not influenced by the hormonal swings that are linked with regular ejaculation. Through the practice, individuals are able to increase their mental attention, which in turn leads to the unlocking of previously hidden creative potential and intellectual talents. Stage 5. Emotional equilibrium. The preservation of sperm is another important factor in the process of obtaining emotional equilibrium. Increased emotional resilience is the result of the exercise, which enables individuals to observe and control their emotional responses. Numerous individuals have reported experiencing benefits such as less mood swings, more patience, and a more stable emotional state. In this stage, one cultivates a sense of inner peace and emotional well-being by mastering their emotional terrain and cultivating a sense of emotional health. In order to achieve emotional equilibrium, it is not enough to simply repress one's feelings. One must also comprehend and navigate them with a heightened awareness. By delving into the psychological components of semen retention, this stage investigates the ways in which emotional intelligence and stability contribute to the overall well-being of an individual. Stage 6. Spiritual awakening. It is possible for individuals to achieve a stage of spiritual awakening as the process of semen retention continues. This is frequently characterized by a strengthened connection with one's inner self, an increase in one's intuitive abilities, and a feeling of achievement on a spiritual level. Tantra and Taoism are two examples of ancient religions that hold the belief that semen is a sacred essence that, if preserved, has the potential to lead to an increase in one's spiritual consciousness. During this stage, one will conduct an investigation into the spiritual aspects of life and establish a connection with a higher purpose. The phase of spiritual awakening is one that is intensely personal and involves introspection. It entails going beyond the worlds of the physical and cerebral in order to establish a connection with something that is more powerful than oneself. For the purpose of cultivating a profound feeling of purpose and interconnectedness. This stage encourages individuals to investigate their own ideas, values, and spiritual practices. Stage 7. Transmutation of energy. One of the most important ideas in the field of sperm preservation is the transformation of sexual energy into other types of energy that are both creative and productive. In the process of purposefully redirecting the energy that would otherwise be expended by ejaculation, individuals have the ability to channel that energy into different aspects of their lives, including their careers, their relationships, and their own personal development. This stage entails being an expert in the art of transforming sexual energy into a force that propels one toward the accomplishment of goals and the realization of aspirations. Both art and science are involved in the process of energy transformation. Having an awareness of the flow of energy throughout the body and being able to consciously reroute it is the central focus. This stage goes into practical applications, the purpose of which is to investigate how individuals might harness the powerful energy that is created through the retention of sperm in order to improve many aspects of their lives. Stage 8. Integration and mastery. During the final stage of semen retention, integration and mastery are the defining characteristics. It is now possible for practitioners to internalize the practice, allowing them to incorporate it into their daily life without any difficulty. In addition to contributing to a more comprehensive sense of well-being, the advantages of semen retention become a natural and essential component of their existence. Individuals have reached this point when they have achieved a harmonious balance between the physical, mental, and spiritual parts of life. They have mastered their own energy. It is not about strictly adhering to a set of rules in order to achieve integration and mastery. Rather, it is about living in a way that is real and in accordance with one's ideals. This stage investigates the ways in which individuals might achieve a balance between the retention of their sperm and the demands of their day-to-day lives, thereby establishing a lifestyle that is both sustainable and enriching. In order to achieve mastery, one must continually develop and adapt in order to guarantee that the advantages of semen retention will continue to be an everlasting component of one's well-being. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.